Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a super quick look at and installing the WeatherTech Digital Fit Cargo Floor Liner in black, available for the 11 and newer Challenger. You should be checking this out. Very simply put, if you're looking to protect the factory carpeting on the interior of your trunk. Inside your trunk, you are storing all kinds of junk, from sporting equipment to hauling maybe even some mulch or something like that from Home Depot if this is your grocery getter, and groceries, even that. That all can pose a threat to your factory carpeting. It can stain, ruin, or otherwise really decrease the value of your vehicle, and really just doesn't look that good. If you're looking to protect it, this Digital Fit Cargo Liner from WeatherTech is going to do the trick. It's all made from a proprietary custom blend of thermopolyolefin, which is basically a really flexible rubber. Now that rubber is super durable, super thick, and it's going to do the job protecting that carpet from stains, debris, weather elements, coffee, groceries, anything like that. Being a Digital Fit Cargo Liner, it is made to hug and contour to the body of the vehicle on the inside of the trunk. So all of the curves and crevices around the sides, behind the seats, at the trunk latch, and in front of the wheel wells there, inside the wheel well liners there, that is all going to be hugged by the Digital Fit Cargo Liner. The edges are also raised up about 1.5 inches to 2 inches, so anything that does spill is captured within the bounds or the area within that cargo liner. It's also got this really cool grid pattern along the entire thing. The grid pattern means that there are just squares all along the entire cargo liner, like a repeated pattern, and inside of that are little channels, so any liquids that get spilled are captured within the channels and are easily cleaned. Now when it comes time to clean this, if you do want to pull it out, all you have to do is pinch by the sides, bring it up to the middle, lift up, and pull it out. At that point you can hose it off, scrub it with a soft sponge or something like that. Soap and water will do the trick, but hosing it off really just gets off most dirt, grime, and liquids. And then you can pop it right back in. Now, although this is made for all 2011 and newer Challengers, if your Challenger has a trunk-mounted subwoofer, you may need to cut or modify the mat in order to work with that subwoofer, depending on the styling and how you have it mounted. Just something to keep in mind. This is going to run you right around $200, and the install is going to get an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Anybody can tackle this with a minute or 2 in the driveway at home. It literally just lays in place. You don't have to take anything out, no uninstallation, none of that nonsense. Just lay it in and it'll stay in place. Because it hugs every single side of the trunk, there's nowhere for it to slide. It'll stick in place as is. Keep in mind, guys, when it comes rolled up in the box, when you first open it, it may look like it's crumpled up. It'll look like the edges are wrinkled inward. Give it a day or 2 in the heat if you want to leave it out in the sunlight, or you can put it right into your trunk, and then after a day or 2, once the trunk heats up, the warmer that material gets, the more it will completely lay down flat into its proper position. So just give it a day or 2, that heat will let it sink in, and it'll conform to your trunk. With that said, guys, I'm gonna walk you through the quick process. So what do you say we get started? All right, the install is super simple. You just wanna fold it in half just like this. Put the first part in, going all the way back to behind the rear seats. You wanna lift it up so it tucks in right into that corner. And at this point, you just wanna push down and make sure you're tucking in both sides by the taillights. All right, and again, you just wanna work your way all the way around the edges, just pushing it into place to flatten it out. Keep in mind, guys, once this heats up over the next couple of days, it'll start to form. Anything that's lifted up in the corners, like if this was lifted up a little bit like that, once it heats up, it will really come into shape just like that. But from here, guys, you're good to go. That's gonna wrap up my quick overview and install for the WeatherTech Digital Fit Cargo Liner in black, available for the 11 and newer Challenger. Get yours right here at AmericanMuscle.com.